Hi friends, in this video our guest will be the Dilbar Girl of Bollywood. Yes, we will tell you some interesting and shocking facts about Nora Fatehi. Nora Fatehi is an Indo-Moroccan Canadian actress who works in the Indian films. Nora is mostly known for her gorgeous and sexy looks and glamorous style in the movies. She is also an expert dancer and master in the belly dancing. After starring in song Na with Hadi Sandhu, Nora got popularity across India. She has done several item numbers for Bollywood and Telugu movies. Her dancing style in songs Dilbar and Kamariya made her very popular among Indian celebrities. Her real name is Nora Fatehi. She was born on 6 February 1992 in Canada in a Moroccan-Canadian family. Hence, her current age is 30 years. Her height is 5 feet and 6 inches. Her weight is 55 kilograms and her body measurements are 34, 26, 34. Nora received her early education in Canada. Later on, she joined New York University but did not graduate and dropped out because she wanted to be a model and an actress. Nora Fatehi reached the heights of her fame when she created a sensation with her belly dance in the recreated version of the 1990 song Dilbar, which was originally picturized on actors Sushmita Sen and Sanjay Kapoor. During her studies, she became a professional dancer and mastered the art of belly dance without any proper training and just by watching videos on the internet. Apart from dancing, she also wanted to try her luck in modeling and signed with the model and talent agency Orange Model Management, who signed her instantly and sent her to India. After she landed in India, she did various commercials for giant brands. She is fluent in English, Hindi, French and Arabic. So guys, hit the like button and do subscribe our channel and take care of yourself.